Most small business websites are outdated, generic, and honestly, costing you customers. Your website is the first impression people have about your business. And if it looks cheap or outdated, they'll assume your services too, even if you're the best at what you do. That's why so many small business owners struggle to get leads online. Their website simply isn't working for them. Most designers will build you a pretty site exactly how you tell them to. The problem is, pretty doesn't pay the bills. At Sean Garner Consulting, our website design process is holistic. We don't just make you something that looks nice, we make sure it actually works to make your money. We write all the words for you using the StoryBrand Framework so your message is clear and focused on your customer. We design a custom site that makes you look professional and stand out from the competition. We also do this built with SEO in mind. So it's fast, mobile friendly, and set up to actually be found on Google and even the new AI search engines like ChatGPT. Here's how it works. Step 1, we clarify your brand message. Your site won't be all about you. It will be about solving your customers' problems and positioning you as the right guide for them. Step 2, we design a professional, customized site that makes you look like the obvious choice. When your customers are shopping, your website instantly will position you above the competition. Step 3, we optimize the structure for search engine optimization and user experience. That means your site loads quickly, it looks great on mobile, and it has the right keywords that your customers are searching for. And unlike most agencies, we don't hold you hostage. We don't trap you in expensive retainers just to keep your website online. Hosting is included and everything is user-friendly. We'll even train you how to use the website yourself. Think about this. You wouldn't hire a general contractor to build a building for you and expect him to let you in the front door every day. But unfortunately, when it comes to your digital storefront, that is your website, most small business owners do that. They hired a website designer that built them a website, and now they have to ask permission every time they want to change an image. Your website should be doing two things for you: collecting leads and making you money. And if it's not doing that, you're losing opportunities every single day. The problem isn't that customers aren't looking for you online, it's that your current site isn't built to convert them. So if you're ready to stop wasting money on a website that doesn't work and finally have one that helps you grow and dominate your market, let's get started. Click the button below and schedule a call. We'll build you a website that not only looks amazing, but actually works to bring in leads and grow your business. Looking forward to talking to you soon.